Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a soap and I'm scenting it in Pumpkin Caramel Latte. It's a Bath and Body Works dupe. I went ahead and I made this pumpkin embed to put in the middle of the soap. It's not quite as long as my mold, so the two end bars won't have the pumpkin in it, but we'll go ahead and we'll use that for our sample bars. And I went ahead and I've mixed two of my colors. I've added my kaolin clay and some oat milk to my oils. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend them up, add my lye solution, and then we'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of our batter off into the brown. I might stick blend this to get it a little bit thicker because I want it to be on the bottom for the pumpkin to sit. And then the orange, we're gonna try drop swirl it in if we can. And to the large container, I'm gonna add a little bit of titanium dioxide to lighten it up. It's kind of a dark base with the olive oil and the oat milk. Okay, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna add the titanium dioxide. I'm gonna mix it up and then I'll be back. We're gonna go ahead and pour it in here. I got a few air bubbles in there, so I'm gonna tap it down. We're gonna see if we can get this to set up while we add our fragrance oil to the orange and to the cream color, and the cream is getting really thick. So we'll see what happens here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this off in a pitcher so it's easier to work with. And I'm gonna get my mold. I'm gonna take some rubbing alcohol and I'm gonna spray my pumpkin embed really good. And I'm gonna try put it in here and see if it'll stay without sinking. It's pretty good. So the end two pieces are not going to have the pumpkin. So we're gonna go ahead and take our white, our cream color. We want to make sure we get in so it covers up all the grooves. I'm going to actually take and tap this down to make sure. Okay, I'm going to cover the rest up. I don't think we will. I think I'm gonna have to swirl some of the orange in just by hand because it got really thick. Go ahead and cover the top. We're going to tap it down one more time. I'm going to try to just swirl it a little bit without hitting our pumpkin. I'm going to have a little bit of extra soap left, so I'm just going to put it in a little cupcake mold. Our brown is super thick because I blended it. I'll try to tap it down to even it out just a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and see if we can swirl the top. Okay, it's so thick, I don't know if much can be done with it, but we'll try. Okay, we're going to go ahead and let this set up, and then we'll be back to cut it. Our soap is all set up, so we're going to go ahead and cut it. This batch had set up really quick, so I'm hoping we don't have like a bunch of gaps in there. Turned out okay. I'll go ahead and get this cleaned up, and then we're going to set it aside to cure. Thanks for watching.